If you're passionate about health and personal development, fascinated by human potential psychology, have a real desire to help others and looking to train as a coach, you're most definitely in the right place. My name is Mark Shields. I'm co-author of the Cam Coach book and joint founder of the Life Practice Academy. A big welcome to this integrated diploma in talking therapies. This course includes a number of integrated life coaching modalities and therapies to enable you to get transformational results with your clients, often in just a handful of sessions. The course includes NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, NNRT, Bilateral Eye Movement, clinical hypnosis, a really powerful technique, life coaching and some modules in Behavioural Science. All of these incredible modalities complement each other perfectly. This course carries advanced accreditation to level 5 and has an average completion time of around 12 months, although you can study in your own time, at your own pace, and complete the course from the comfort of your own home or place of work. This course also includes 2 full Cam Coach business building modules. So once you've completed the training, if you are looking to go out and practice professionally, these 2 modules will help you do that successfully and give you all the tools you need to set up and sustain a successful coaching practice. And if you want to enroll, press the red button below and it will take you straight through to the course. Bye for now.